Hello and welcome everyone. I have the pleasure of welcoming Dr. Jivansha Dua today with me in the Meet and Ask session 2021. About Dr. Jivansha, let me tell you, she's done her MBBS from CMC Vellore, a prestigious medical college of the country, and she has scored a rank of 889 with a score of 632. Wow, that's really good. I welcome you, Dr. Jivansha Dua, in this talk session with me, and just share with us what is your feeling about getting a score of 632 and a rank of 889.
Thank you, sir. First of all, I feel amazed by this rank because it was always my dream to get a PG seat in Delhi, and DAMS has helped me to get that. I was a part of NEET classroom courses in 2019 for 1 year, and after that I joined T&D course as well in DAMS. Throughout my 2 years while I was working as well in CMC, DAMS has continued to provide me a platform for new learning, what the theory concepts which were required for this NEET entrance exam, and continuous motivation which I got from all the faculty of DAMS has really helped me, and it's only possible only because of them that I could reach here and pursue my dreams.
You said that you've joined a 1 year classroom course with DAMS, and then subsequently you had taken the T&D also. How are the two courses different, and how did these courses help you, in changing yourself as per the requirement as a student for preparation for the PG?
Regarding the classroom course which I joined, it actually provided me the basic set of notes which were required. And for the T&D, it was an add-on plus the question bank which was there, and each clinical question which was discussed during T&D helped me to add over to my classroom notes which I got in 2019. And it just provided me the whole set of thing which was required so that I don't have to add on from any other source outside.
So the DAMS faculty were really helpful to you along with the study material that was given to you. How was it different from reading from the textbooks or the class notes from the teachers in the college and the class notes that you prepared with the DAMS faculty?
Actually, both have their own advantages. Like my college faculty, they were really great and provided me the practical knowledge. Whereas where I was lacking is the textbook content and the actual matter which we need to read only for the entrance exam. That was provided to me only by the DAMS faculty. And at every step, whenever I feel demotivated because of this delay in exam or because of the COVID, I was continuously working in COVID for 1.5 years. And that is the time when I really needed my DAMS faculty, and they were always there to help me.
Believe us, Dr. Jivansha, we were more than happy, to be there for our students when it was required the most. So let me just ask you one more thing, that any questions that were discussed in the T&D or any other evaluation systems that DAMS follow, could you see those questions coming in the exam also?
Definitely yes. There were questions direct, straightforward, picked up from the question bank and the T&D into the main paper. It wasn't even, the language even wasn't changed. So DAMS actually I think has an experience of many years now. They have been seeing how the paper is set, and they provide us only with the matter what we need to read. So it was really helpful in that way.
Let me add there, it's not just this, we have been changing our curriculum time and again, just to benefit students so that they can get the best out of what they are trying to get. That was wonderful to know. Just a brief description or a brief guidance from you about the DAMS study material that we provide. Is it helpful? How concise is that? How crisp is that?
Regarding the study material, it is definitely helpful. The first and foremost, the notes and even the CRS which is provided for each subject is enough to study for the entrance exams. Like, we don't need to go into the textbook detail what we studied during MBBS for this exam. So the notes, the CRS as well as the question bank which is provided is self-sufficient to crack this exam.
For the same reason, we have now named our CRS as the concept books, because that helps you to create concepts in your mind. That's wonderful talking to Dr. Jivansha Dua here with me. She comes from CMC Vellore, has secured a score of 632 and a rank of 889 in the NEET PG 2021. Well, have you made up your mind which branch you're going to opt?
That's what I came here today for, the career counseling, because I am quite not sure about what branch I am going to decide yet, but the most preferable colleges will be the colleges in Delhi, either Maulana Azad or UCMC.
I wish you all the best. Before we wind up this talking session here, any message to your juniors you would like to give or fellow doctors about joining DAMS?
Definitely, if you want to crack the coming NEET and the best faculty which can be provided is DAMS, and you just need to stick on it. Just one course is enough, so that you set up your mind and you know what you want in future. Then it's really your way.
Thank you very much, Dr. Jivansha Dua, for all your valuable inputs. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts and wish you all the best in whatever endeavors you take up in your life.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, sir.